Assalamualaikum. We are back with the new series at Subject Experts. We are going to cover the biology for class 9. Today we will start with the quick summary of all the 9 chapters of class 9 biology. Then we will go in our upcoming videos with the chapter wise explanation of each chapter. Now, let's begin with our summary. In the chapter 1, the study of life and biodiversity, or we call the introduction to biology chapter. So, in this chapter, we will be introduced to the term biology. First of all, what is biology? Biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. Then we were introduced to the Muslim scientists. They have the great contribution to the study of science, and we are aware of their success in different fields of science, like Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Asma'i, Abu Ali Sina. And then we will introduce towards the level of organization. The first level of organization was subatomic and atomic level. The next one is molecular level. Third is organelle and cell level. Fourth is tissue level. Fifth one is organ and organ system level. Sixth one is individual level. Seventh one is population level. Eighth one is community level. And last and the ninth one is biosphere level. Then in the next chapter, chapter 2, we will be introduced towards solving a biological problem. First of all, there was a biological problem, and we collect observation. We observe different facts about this biological problem. Then we generate an hypothesis about this, and deductions were made about this hypothesis. Either it is right or wrong, and different experiments were performed, and then the summary of results is taken, and either it made into a theory, a law, or a principle, or it was rejected or go back towards the observation point. So biological method is a term used by biologists to solve a problem in biology. It comprises the steps a biologist adopts in order to solve a typical biological problem. Data organization and data analysis is undertaken. Data can be defined as information which is comprised of names, dates, values, and different observations are made, and then the experiments are undertaken. Mathematics was an integral part of scientific process because major biological problems in which knowledge of mathematics is used, like gene finding, protein structure, and protein-protein interaction, without this mathematical knowledge, the problem cannot be solved. The third chapter is about biodiversity. As we know that there are different kingdoms, phylums, class, order, family, genus, and species of different organisms on this planet Earth. Biodiversity has been derived from bio and diversity. So what is diversity? Diversity means variety within a species and among species. Biodiversity is basically a measure of variety of organisms is a measure of variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. So what is the aims and principles of classification? There is a large collection of dissimilar forms of organisms found on Earth. Over 1.5 million types of animals are there, and 0.5 million types of plants are known to biologists, and there are only a small percentage of the total types estimated to live on Earth. So a species that no longer lives in an ecosystem is called extinct in that ecosystem. So this is the conservation of biodiversity. So chapter 4 is about cells and tissues. So the use of microscope is very important for studying of cells and tissue. The use of microscope is known as microscopy. The first compound microscope was developed by Zecharis Jensen in Holland in 1595. It was a simple tube with lens at both ends, and its magnification ranges from 3x to 9x. Cellular structure and functions. We are familiar with the basic organization of a eukaryotic cell. Animal and plant tissues, we are familiar with the levels of structural organization of life, and recognize tissues as a group of similar cells which are specialized for perform a common function. So the chapter 5 is about the cell cycle, which includes G0 phase, then G1 phase, then S phase, synthesis phase, then G2 phase, and then M phase. So cell cycle is basically the series of events from the time a cell is produced until it completes mitosis and produces a new cell. So there is a term mitosis. So what is a mitosis? Mitosis is basically somatic cells are those which form the body of organisms, while the germline cells are those which give rise to the gametes. So somatic cells undergo mitosis because they form the body of an organism, while germline cells is involved in reproduction, so they undergo meiosis. So what is meiosis? It came from the Greek word meon, meaning to make smaller. Since it results in a reduction in chromosome number, so it is called meiosis. We will discuss it in chapter detail. So what is the next chapter in class 9 biology is chapter 6, which is enzymes. So enzymes basically act as a catalyst to convert the substrate into a product. So all biochemical catalysts are not proteins. For example, some RNA molecules also catalyze reactions. Mechanism of enzyme action is basically enzyme attaches with a substrate and form a temporary enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme catalyzes the reaction and substrate is transformed into a product. So enzymes are basically very specific. For example, protease will not work on a starch. Similarly, lipase enzyme acts only on lipids and digest them into fatty acid and glycerols. So the next chapter is bioenergetics. Bioenergetics, there is a major role of ATP in bioenergetics. Bioenergetics is basically study of energy relationships and energy transformation in living organisms. So there are two methods, photosynthesis and respiration. So what is photosynthesis? Is the synthesis of glucose from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with oxygen as a byproduct. While the respiration, when we burn a fuel, it utilizes oxygen and yield energy in the form of light and heat. In this burning process, oxygen is used to break the carbon-hydrogen bond present in the fuel molecule. So chapter 8 is nutrition. Plant basically take minerals as nutrition, and plant has more efficient mechanism for autotrophic mode of nutrition as they make their food themselves. Plant get carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Components of human food, nutrition requirements of human and other animals are relatively complex as compared to plants. The nutrition used by human include carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, protein, minerals, vitamins. Beside these nutrition, they also require water. So digestion in human, our cells require oxygen, water, salts, amino acids, simple sugars, fatty acids and vitamins. These can cross cell membranes to enter cells. Chapter 9 is about transport. Water is vital to plant transport. Plant life, it is necessary not just for photosynthesis and trigger, but much of the cellular activities occur in the presence of water molecule. So basically plant transport is revolve around the transport of water. So the process by which water is raised to considerable heights in plants has been studied for years in botany. The result of this research is cohesion and tension theory. The cardiovascular disorders involve the heart or blood vessels are collectively called cardiovascular disorders. Basically, the diseases related to heart or blood vessels are called cardiovascular disorders. These diseases have similar causes, mechanism, and treatments. So this is all about the class 9 biology. For the detailed chapter analysis, please stay tuned to Subject Expert.